Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I have a new assistant. His name is Bob. He's not too, well, he's a little shy right now, but let me go grab Bob. Here he is. Here is Bob. Bob is going to be my new pointer assistant. He's been doing this job since 2011, and he's very good at it. So this is Bob. Everybody give Bob a warm welcome in the comment section, okay? So Bob, you're going to start seeing Bob in more videos. Now, here's the thing. I'm also going to, I figure I might as well do an update video on interface boards. I know some of you out there are wondering what's going on with some of these interface boards that you did videos on. Let's talk about some of them here quickly. The Bridgecom interface board, which is this one right here, I have the boards on order. They're on their way. Hopefully they'll be here shortly, but the boards are coming. So that's good news. So that's the deal with that. Now on the weather alert interface board, which is over there, I've been testing it. It's been working really good. I'm still doing some more testing. So another few more weeks, and then I'm hoping I'll get this one drawn up and ready to get boards made up. Now, there's in another interface board I better mention before I forget. Now, if you look here, I got to go grab it. This interface board is the one that I've done videos on about taking any two-way mobile radio and make them into a repeater, okay? This interface board has been working really good. This is the prototype. I've done many videos on it. It's been working good. Now, as you can tell, I don't have it hooked up right now because I had to hook up the Bridgecom and do all that stuff. But I'm going to get back to this here, but it's looking really good. I've been playing around with it before I unhooked it for the Bridgecom, and it looks very promising. But I still got to do a little more testing just to make sure everything's going to work the way I want it to work. So that is the update on that. Now, any other boards I have not mentioned, go to my forum. I'll post that link down below to the category where it's discontinued products, discontinued projects, and those are ones that I did videos on, and I just did not get enough interest, so those projects are put on hold. I'll post that link down below too in the description. I'm also going to post a link to my store, and if there is a board you're interested in, whether it's the Bridgecom, whether it's the weather radio, whether it's the take any mobile radio and make it into a repeater, any two mobile radios into a repeater, whichever board you may be interested in, go to my store and sign up to get notified. There's two reasons why you need to do that. One, it lets me know if there's enough people interested in that. Two, you'll get notified when this becomes available. But make sure you check your spam folder every day. I don't know if it's going to mark it spam. You may have to unmark it not spam. I'm not sure how that works on your end. So just make sure you check your spam folder, or you could miss out when the board becomes available. So that is the update on that. Now let me think. Oh, I have some good news. Scott out there from Chicagoland, and I appreciate this, Scott, is going to let me borrow his Motorola repeater. So, and coming up here hopefully soon, we're going to have a shootout with a Motorola repeater up against the Retevis repeater. Wattage to wattage, try to be the same all the way through it, and we're going to see how good the Motorola works. So, and we'll go to the same spot I did with the Bridgecom. So that's hopefully coming up here in the next few weeks. Let me think. What else? I think that's about it. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. And please welcome Bob. Thank you and have a good day.